okay with it incomplete. I'm okay with
He's sensing pressure that isn't there, though. That's part of the problem.
Now, let me tell you something. Ain't no damn
GoPro, stop recording. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy DJ. I'm out here to get a grub. I think I want some chili. I'm at one of the most famous food trucks in the area. One of the best, most popular food trucks in the area. To try some chili today. Looks like they got turkey chili over rice. I don't know about that. I like beef chili, but I'm willing to try turkey chili over the rice. We also got chili dogs, chili hot sausages, and everything else that you usually get from a big time hot dog, hot sausage food truck. Meatballs, chicken salad. This truck is loaded with all the good eats. Meatballs, meatball subs, cheese sticks. I don't even know about cheese. They might not have cheese sticks, which is fine. I never got a cheese stick from here. I wouldn't shock me if they do have it, but I don't think they do. But very, very well known for the Italian sausage and the roast beef. Delicious. But I think I wanted some chili, and I might just go chili over rice, but we'll see. West Philadelphia, Belmont Avenue, DGTV. Let's get it. If that wasn't recording, I'm gonna be so
Chicago.
Oh, just here.
Okay, so just don't send it to Chicago.
Don't send it to Chicago, you got it.
All right, turkey chili, you're all done.
Thank you, Bob.
Turkey kebabs with mustard, ketchup, and cooked onion. And that'll be it for today?
That's gonna be it for the day, sir.
All right, 6 altogether. Put crackers on the spoon in there.
Thank you. One more time. Your name's Bob.
Bob Pasquarello.
Bob Pasquarello, folks.
All my other relatives are in prison.
You don't want to find them in Chicago.
Okay, thanks for the advertisement. I appreciate that.
I appreciate you, Bob.
Drive safe out there.
You too. Thank you. Bob was real friendly. Very, very cool. So we got our turkey chili now. I did sample the turkey chili. I don't even know if I got it on camera. The wind was blowing and I was freezing. But everybody know this spot on Belmont and Girard. Everybody know it. It's very popular. All right, folks, y'all got the skinny on Bob Pasquarello's food truck, Belmont and Girard. Not sure of the name of the food truck, never was in all these years. But you know the guy, Bob Pasquarello. Belmont and Girard. We got ourselves here some turkey and chili, guys. Turkey and chili over rice. We about to dig into that. How that look to you? Turkey and chili, look at that. Once again, Gerard and Belmont, very famous truck in Philadelphia. All Philadelphians know about it. They know where it's at. They know how good the food is. You guys come check it out. Let's dig in to the turkey, chili, and rice. Some nice kidney beans is in there. Like it's some corn in there. Maybe some, what's that, tomato? Is that tomato? It's pretty stocked with veggies. Is that a carrot or a potato? So we know we got some kidney beans or red beans, or maybe both. Corn, onion is in there. And when Bob let me taste it before I brought it, because he's such a kind gentleman, I tasted a sweet sauce followed immediately by a nice spice. So we got a sweet spicy here for the chili over rice. So let's do it. Let's get into this. All mixed up, onions. There's multiple types of beans in here too. I say maybe kidney, which is normal. But I'm seeing some other beans too. Look at that. All right, no more hesitation. Let's go. It hit me right away again. The sweet heat. It's quite the tang to the sauce. It's amazing. It's like, what's that? Look, all kinds of veggies in there. Not my typical way I would consider chili, but not bad. You got your veggies, your corn and your peas, and multiple beans. I do appreciate the parties in my mouth with all the flavors. The way it attack you with the sweet, and you go, that's sweet. Then right away you go, oh, that's hot. I like that. I like that. Okay, Bob. Don't forget, y'all, come get y'all some turkey chili and grab you a hot sausage or kielbasa or some chicken salad sandwiches. A gauntlet, a plethora, they would say, a plethora, how you say that word? You know what I'm talking about. A plethora of sandwiches and good eats. All our local favorites here in Philadelphia. Sausage, kielbasa, hot, mild sausage, subs, meatballs. And as Bob Pascarella said, you know, we got that Italian flair. Right here in West Philadelphia. It's good, y'all. It's good. Of course, I prefer beef chili. But this is not bad. It actually made my nose run. It got that spice to it. Everybody that eat chili, I ain't gonna say everybody. Mostly everybody like a nice spice in their chili. I know I do. Carrots, peas, beans, Oh my. It's definitely different than our mama would have made. I also like chili by itself. I don't necessarily like it with rice, but I want this to last a while. It's more like a meal when you get it with rice. If you get it by itself, it's more like a snack when it comes to chili, in my opinion. It's good. So when you come out of Bob's truck, you get the chili, expect a sweet taste. And get you a napkin because you might gotta wipe your nose from the heat. The spice. I appreciate that. Oh, that is, it's definitely peppery. Hopefully you like that pepper in your spice. I mean, in your food. Pepper and spice in your food because it's here. And I don't even see chili peppers per se. I don't see any. I'm looking around for the chili pepper. Not sure how he spiced it up, but he spiced it up. That's a good sauce. This will go good with a hot sausage. Wasn't quite in the mood for a sausage because I had a little something earlier. This is pretty much dinner. It's definitely good. And it's definitely different. So be prepared for not your normal chili there. Interesting. Ate some nice crackers up in there. You're supposed to break that up in there, but you already know that. So just to summarize on that, Belmont and Girard, easy to access. Bob's been there for 29 years. Everybody know in the area knows food's delicious. And I believe you get some type of discount on your birthday as well. So if your birthday is coming up, come over here and get you a, it used to be free with ID. I'm not sure if it's still that, but I saw the sign. You probably get some type of discount if you can prove it's your birthday. So if your birthday coming up, I know it's a lot of December birthdays. I'll see it on the book. So come out, check out Bob's for your birthday. And it's very affordable. It's a nice size platter of chili and rice for $6. Most things over there, I believe I saw, I was flashing it on a video, $7, $6, $5, $8 is probably the highest price over there. It's very affordable. He's very friendly and accommodating. Again, Belmont and Girard, Bob Pellarello. I'm gonna struggle with the last name. Food truck. Come check him out, guys. Until next time, thanks for watching. Everybody stay cool.